Trang, Vietnam, every corner has a story. Every street leads the way to something for someone. Walking around Nha Trang, by the time you view this, I'll be gone, but I'll miss you, Vietnam.
Okay, one of the coolest things about Nha Trang and Vietnam in general is just all these little alleys everywhere. So this alley has these, we're gonna walk down it, and there's like a German restaurant. There's a bunch of different restaurants all the way down. So we're gonna show that and just kind of highlight what a kind of an alley looks like in Nha Trang, Vietnam. And before we even start, we're kind of out in this area with all the hotels and a main street with all the cars. We're about 1 block away from where the beach is at. Okay, so let's check out that house. So let's go down our alley. This is my last Nha Trang video. This ends the set of all the Nha Trang ones I was going to upload. So now everything would be in the past. But if you go down to, at the end of the video, you'll see some thumbnails, and that'll be the last 2, and then you keep watching and you can watch all of them. There's a whole handful of them now of Nha Trang. You can see the city very well. And this one is an alley, not too far from the beach, and it's kind of cool. There's some cool stuff going on in this alley at nighttime. Thought it was kind of interesting and worth filming. So anyways, that ends the set of Nha Trang. So hope you liked that one quite a bit. And let's get into the walk and talk so you can feel like you were there yourself. Okay, so that's going to be our alley. This is, we're 1 block away from the beach. And that's going to be the alley that we're going to go down. You can see a hotel. There's some really tall hotels down that way as well. So we are going to attempt to go down this alley and just kind of show you what it's all about. A lot of scooters come in this area. Now so you got different places like this, and you got some menus here as well. I'm gonna keep on going down. Lucky home. Room for rent, $199. That's pretty low price. A meal costs about that same amount. German restaurant right there, which is kind of cool. I think this is just somebody's, oh, it's a hotel. Velvet, another restaurant. So yeah, it's kind of interesting, like these alleys you just don't really know, right? Another restaurant on that side as well. Don't know, it's like so we're gonna go down this way. We're gonna go around the corner, but before we do, so this just keeps on going down into other stuff, and then you can also see some kind of cool architecture in these alleys as well. So it's kind of nice because it's car free. And some really nice architecture with thousands up there as well. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going down. And we're gonna meander down this way. Let's see, that's actually a guest house right there. So just have these like really cool alleys. And we're just gonna go all the way down. So here's yet another alley down that way. I think this is like a dead-end alley. Then you got something right on the corner. And an apartment with gates where you can park your bike. Water bike for rent. Here's yet another alley. So these alleys, there's a lot of interesting stuff. And then this street up here is about 2 blocks away from the beach. And this one looks like a cafe. Oops. Beach. Okay, so now we're going to come out to the main road. Someone's cooking supplies. And that's basically the alley that we were just in. Armenian restaurant. Looks kind of cool. They also have something up above as well. So, okay. As we kept on walking, you could, there's a lot of different directions to go in, of course. But our focus was just that alley. But yeah, we saw a German restaurant, Vietnamese places, even an Armenian restaurant as well. So on that note, we are going to end the video. Right there. The popular alley.